everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to redo my laundry room. If you're interested in seeing how I do, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. This is what it looks like right now. My laundry room is small. I'm going to start by taking all of this down. I'm going to be using this contact paper and a piece of cardboard to make a shelf. These are the jars that I'm going to be using for my detergents. I'm just going to pour my detergents in here. I'm going to put in here. And the next one is for the powder detergent. And in these baskets, I'm just going to put the extra softeners and laundry sheets. I have this linen brush. So this is what I have in there. I wish I had two shelves here so that it wouldn't look so crowded, but I don't. So I have to work with what I have. So that's why I have those there. And then I put that down, those two jars down there because it looks sloppy if I put so many jars together. This is how it came out. It's not the best, but it looks better than what I had before. Now I'm gonna decorate this little tray that I made. Down over here, all I have is the iron and the bleach, and then there's an extra empty jar and the detergent. On this second shelf, I'm just gonna add this picture of me and my husband, and this little like jewelry box. And on the top, I'm gonna put this vase and this bunny here, and this candle right there.